case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a significant turn of events, the United States Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit departed from the District Court's previous ruling in the case of Butler v. Drive Automotive Industries of America, Inc., a case heard in 2015. The focal point regarded whether an employee could have multiple employers as per Title VII, a statute that prohibits employers from discriminating against employees on the basis of sex, race, color, national origin, and religion. The plaintiff, Brenda Butler, alleged she was sexually harassed while working at a factory under Drive Automotive Industries. The company, however, contended that Butler was not directly their employee, but was instead employed by Resource MFG, a staffing agency. The district court had initially sided with Drive, dismissing Butler's claims by declaring that Resource MFG was her only employer. However, in a twist of events, Butler appealed and the case was heard by the Court of Appeals. The higher court employed a new hybrid test, combining the economic realities test and control test to assess the employer-employee relationships in Title VII cases. As a result, Drive was determined to have significant control over Butler's employment to be considered her employer. What this decision by the Fourth Circuit Court means is that the joint employment doctrine, the idea that two or more entities could be considered employers if they had significant control over an employee's essential terms and conditions of employment, has been declared the law in this circuit and is relevant for Title VII cases going forward. It also means that Butler's claims of sexual harassment, hostile work environment, and retaliation will be reviewed by the district court with the new understanding of joint employment. Ultimately, the Fourth Circuit decision highlights that in such cases, the locus of control over an employee is a prime consideration, regardless of legal formalities. It underscores the ever-evolving rights and protections offered to workers in America.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.